we've got, so I picked up this Tomica. This was pretty cool. It's the limited vintage Neo, and it's all 64. The scales, yeah, 164. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Yeah, there's their scale. Yeah, I actually, a lot of stuff, if I can't find it in stores around here, then I will order them online, or I'll find it on eBay or whatever. I found this one on eBay, and I got a good deal on it, and this one's really, really cool though. But yeah, you can look this one up online to find out more about it, but it's Tomica is the company, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And I believe that is a 180SX Nissan. I'm pretty sure that that's what it is. Yeah, 180SX. And then over here, I've got my my diorama Lawson one. I actually have some more diorama kits that are on the way right now. But pretty much every car over here is going to be one of the Tomicas, and I think, yeah, the Takara Tommy. I believe this one is the Fast and the Furious one. You've got the 86 right there. You got your NSX. This one actually, I think this one's Kaido House. Yeah, this one's a Kaido House. But these ones are pretty cool. I like them. I have a lot of those that I need to unbox. And then this one is also Tomica as well. I don't know why my zoom keeps getting blurry like that. I got a new camera, still trying to figure it out. Here's your Inno 54. These are really cool. It's a Liberty Walk one. I want to get more of these. I ordered some pre-order. I have a bunch of pre-orders on the way. But yeah, that one is... Yeah, these are really, really cool. I actually haven't opened one of these up yet either. So planning on doing that very, very soon. So I've got that. And then there's a Tiny Q. I've got my Kaido House Gretty tent right there. And then here's some Hot Wheels. I found this one at a Walmart. This one right here. I'm sure you've seen it. Nice little JDM setup. The custom Acura Integra, Mitsubishi 3000, Mazda RX-7, Nissan Z, and Subaru BRZ. All great ones on there. And then I just picked up this one. This one was shipped from Japan. But I've always been a Honda Civic fan. I actually still have a Honda Civic that I've garaged. Nothing special though. Integra Type R. I had one of those in high school. Was not a Type R though. NSX Type R. Civic Type R. Yeah, this was a pretty cool one. And I have all those cars over there. I'll do another video about this maybe. But yeah, picked up one of those. So always looking for stuff like these. Anything that's JDM, I'll pick it up. And then over here, I've got Pop Race. Need to unbox Pop Race. Need to unbox that one. I've unboxed this one. What is that, the GR86? Yeah, I've unboxed that one. I got this little Tomica 7-Eleven diorama, my little Boba Fett Lego guy. That came with the truck. That thing folds up. And then down here, my Honda Racing diorama thing, I picked that up too. My little Sky Chopper. And then these are really, really cool. I just got these. I think they're newer. I'm not sure. You can let me know in the comments. But these Air cars, this is the Nissan GT-R 50. And it's got like this crazy paint job on it. It's a blue pearl. Really cool. I'm pretty sure if you get it just right, the hood on these actually, they actually come off. Let's see if I can get it real quick. Yeah, there we go. So you can just snap the hood off on these. So I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, there you go. Kind of get a good look at it. Really cool brand though. But yeah, I picked up one of those. And I'll put that on later. That's the hood is Diecast as well, which I thought was pretty cool. And then yeah, there's another box for the Tomica. That one was that Toyota Supra. And then I just have more boxes down there. Some of the ones, the initial D one, of just some of the other stuff that I've unboxed and stuff like that. But I have a lot more stuff I can show. I'll have to make like a longer video, but yeah, that's just some of the stuff I've got over here. And but yeah, I'm really into the diorama stuff. I'm going to start making my own, and I'm going to start doing some like repairs as well on the, I'm going to start doing like different types of repairs and stuff like that on the Diecast, especially ones that I use in my track. And my track's over here. I'll show you this real quick. So I got this track right here, and I've been using this to make a lot of videos, a lot of shorts and stuff like that. And I've got some stuff on the way. I got some stuff on the way to use with that. I got some loops. I got some turns now and some other stuff. So I'm going to be doing a lot of videos, a lot of shorts on that, and I might start doing some like racing stuff. I put a video out on that, and somebody also reached out to me on that video, and they were asking me about where I get my track stuff, and I basically get it anywhere I can find it. If I see something I need or I like it, I'm just like, well, I'm going to get that. So, but yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to let me know, and I'll be more than happy to show you anything I find, or if I see anything and you like it, let me know, and maybe I can search something out for you. But yeah, my name's Chris, and this is Hobby Cantina, and I hope you enjoyed my peghead videos. I'm still trying to get used to my camera and my microphone and everything. I'm used to using a cell phone, but hopefully I'll be able to get some good videos and do some peg hunting this week and be able to find some cool stuff. I haven't found a treasure hunt yet. I'm kind of new to peg hunting and Hot Wheels. I've always been in the RC cars, so you'll see videos for that. And, you know, so it's new for me. But I really enjoy the, like racing them on the tracks and making videos of them. And I've always been in the dioramas. So if you see anything cool, let me know. And yeah, feel free to leave any comments, and I'll definitely respond to you. So thanks again.